Hello children, in today's class I am here to teach you all about a sentence structure which is your one of the grammar part. Okay, that is sentence. So this is very important for your final exam and you will be getting for 2 marks. Okay, so this is sentence structure. So ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಾಕ್ಯ ರಚನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಾಕ್ಯ ರಚನೆ. Okay, so sentence structure we have 3 types. That is, first one is simple, second one is compound, third one is complex. So sentence structure ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವಿಧ ಇದೆ. ಅದು simple, compound, complex ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, now first we will study about a simple sentence. We will study about simple sentence. So simple sentence means, simple sentence will have one independent clause. So what? A simple sentence will have one independent clause. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು independent clause ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Clause. So independent clause means here in that we will be having one subject plus one verb that gives complete sense. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Simple sentence ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so it will be having one independent clause, that means one subject, one verb which has complete sense. Okay, ಒಂದು ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾದಂತ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಅರುಣ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ಡೋರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರುಣ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ಡೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಅರುಣ್. ಒನ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ವರ್ಬ್ ಓಪನ್, ಒನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅಂಡ್ the door. So here we have complete sense. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so sometimes here in simple sentence I told you here it will be having one subject and one verb, but sometimes a simple sentence contains two subject, one verb, complete sense, or sometimes one subject, two verb. So I'll give you example for that. Arun and Amit opened the door. So this is one example, and the second example is the boy smiled and nodded. So here I have given two examples, that is Arun and Amit opened the door. I told you, so that simple sentence contains one subject, one verb, but here we have two subject. As you can see here, Arun and Amit, subject 1 and Amit, subject 2, and here we have one verb. So this is a simple sentence. Okay, in second example we have one subject and two verb, that is smiled and nodded. One verb smile, the second verb is nodded. Okay, understood? So this is second verb. So this is also a simple sentence. But sometimes, so I told you here, simple sentence means it is one independent clause which has one subject, one verb and complete sense. So ಈಗ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Sometimes the simple sentence may look lengthier. Okay, so but also it is a simple sentence. I'll give an example for that. The children ran away from the firehouse. Okay, so this is a simple sentence. So it looks lengthier, but also it is a simple sentence. Why? Because here we have one subject, one verb. The subject is the children, one subject, one verb. It is run away, one verb. So which gives a complete sentence here. Understood with simple sentence? Yeah. So simple sentence is a sentence that gives one verb, one subject and complete meaning. Now we'll study about the second type, that is compound sentence. So the second one is compound sentence. So here I told you that, okay, simple sentence means the sentence that has one independent clause, that means one subject, one verb, complete sense. But a compound sentence will have two independent clauses. Okay, simple sentence ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ two independent clauses. Okay, so these two independent clauses are joined together by adding coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating. So do you have any idea what are coordinating conjunctions? So I'll give one acronym. Write down one acronym. That is FANBOYS. Fanboys. So this acronym helps you to remember this coordinating conjunctions. Okay, fanboys is nothing but F is for, A is and, N is nor, B is but, O is or, Y is yet and S is so. So these are the coordinating conjunctions, that is for and, nor, but, or, yet and so. Okay, so I'll give you examples, you'll understand better. Okay, so understand properly. So compound sentence means two independent clauses, so that two independent clauses will be joined together by adding these coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so here the same example I'll take. Arun opened the door. So this is simple sentence, right? Yeah. So here, along with this one independent clause, we have to add one more independent clause. So here, Arun opened the door. So this is a simple sentence. So along with this one independent clause, we have to add one more independent clause. So after joining with coordinating conjunction. So here Arun opened the door. So here we can use and. Okay, and looked outside. Okay, so here the example one is Arun opened the door. This is one independent clause. Looked outside is also an independent clause, and here we have added a coordinating conjunction, that is and. Okay, Arun opened the door and looked outside. So this is your compound sentence. Understood? So one more example I'll give. It was raining outside, so I took an umbrella. So even this is a compound sentence. It was raining outside. This is one independent clause. So is a coordinating conjunction. I took an umbrella is again an independent clause. Okay, so this is compound sentence. I hope you all understood. So your compound sentence means here it will be having two independent clauses, and that is joined together by adding coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so here the first one is Arun opened the door and looked outside. So and is a coordinating conjunction, and here two independent clauses we have. The second sentence we have it was raining outside, so I took an umbrella. Okay, it was raining outside is one independent clause, so is a coordinating conjunction. I took an umbrella is one more independent clause. I hope you understood, right? Yeah. Now we'll move on to the third one, that is complex. So now we'll study the third type, that is a complex sentence. So complex sentence means a complex sentence is it contains an independent clause plus a dependent clause. So here an independent clause means which has a complete sense, but a dependent clause it will not have a complete sense, rather it depends on an independent clause. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ an independent clause ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so here I'll give one example, that is when he won the match everyone cheered. So here we have a dependent clause plus an independent clause. So here dependent clause is when he won the match. So this is dependent clause. Everyone cheered is an independent clause. Okay, why? Because here everyone cheered. Okay, here something we have meaning here. Okay, so that is independent clause. So look at this. When he won the match, so forget about everyone cheered, only you see this. When he won the match, is there any meaning here? When he won the match, there is no continuity here, right? So when he won the match is a dependent clause. So that is dependent on an independent clause. I hope you understood. So I'll give one more example so that you will understand properly. Now that I have saved up, I can buy a car. Now that I have saved up, I can buy a car. So here I hope you have understood which is an independent clause and which is dependent clause. Yes, so here I can buy a car is an independent clause. Okay, so now that I have saved up is your dependent clause. So here dependent clause, now that I have saved up, that is completely depending upon I can buy a car. So without an independent clause there is no meaning to this dependent clause. I hope you understood, right? So here every time in complex sentence we use comma to separate the clauses. Either it might be an independent clause or dependent clause, we use comma to separate the clauses. So this is all about the sentence structure. So ವಾಕ್ಯ ರಚನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು.